This is my new bike. We gonna welcome violence to the family. Ladies and gentlemen, this bike is violence. I wake up and choose violence. This is a big R6, man. Jeez, I got one. Nice. Garage of gang violence. Blood meet cuz. Cuz meet blood. Outrageous. Coley, what you doing?
I know you got that my bike. That bike look good. I like the bike.
You like it?
Yeah.
So, you like it?
Oh, no, wait a minute.
Well, those are blinkers, Cola.
I like the blinkers.
It's a small bike, but it's a wide bike.
Okay, and I like the back too.
Huh?
And I got a little holes in it.
That's the exhaust.
And I like the white and the back in it. I like the part of the wheels.
Oh, you always touch tires.
But I like the tires.
How did it feel?
Good.
How did it feel?
The bike feels good. It's super smooth and quiet. Huh? Yeah.
Approved.
So just for a little nice tidbit of information, the bikes are clearly tail to tail. The rear wheelbase is a little longer on the R1. That's very obvious, but we're talking about body, ergonomics, full overall length of the body of the bike. This bike is shorter than this bike's length. We're looking at the tip of the nose or tip of this nose. Can you see that? Also, that bike is off the ground by about an inch. It's on the stand. And I purposely set this bike higher in the rear. The R1 on the ground, there's nothing it's sitting on, is taller than this bike. Your seating position is about 2 inches back further than where you're sitting on this. Although on the body of the bike, it looks like you're sitting so much further back, but remember the wheelbase is about 2 inches longer. As far as the cockpit goes, this is all custom setup, clip-ons, spaced out, and wide grip. Feels perfect, feels really good. This is all custom tailored. I did all that. This is OEM factory bars. The placement is so perfect, man. You actually feel like this area, which on my other R1, this area feels closer forward as if you're on the R6 than the other R1s. Definitely needs a double bubble. When I rode it, this window slope just puts it right in your face. But double bubbles coming, seat cowls coming, a couple of things are coming for this bike. Then it goes to upgrades. What exactly would we want to do to upgrade this bike? One, the gearing. Sprockets are 1641 on this bike. Extremely long. What I like that they did with these motorcycles now, modern 1000s, power band is just like the 600s. The bike doesn't really come alive until about 7. It goes pretty good. But at 7, it really rips. That's 600-esque, 600-like. I think that's really cool. I'm going to be able to transfer what I do on 600s to this. Going to change the sprockets, 15 tooth in the front, 42 in the back. Because the power limits are so lofty on here, we're going to go ahead and make sure that we get to it quicker. I don't need all that speed. I just need this thing to do about 175, 180, and we'll be good. So whatever we lose on the top end, it's not really a big deal. If I do ever end up bouncing this off the limiter in 6th, I think, you know, but this is old school general analog. And this is new technology, computers, the future, right? But I want out of this what I get out of this. Yes, that's going to make this faster and more violent, but I think we can handle it.